So if you can see her face, she's really already enjoying this. And together, 1. And here we're giving her a little 2. Just the input. I can't count and talk. 5, 6 to 7. Yeah. Okay, then we're gonna go up until, so it's not this perfect, this is where a lot of therapists get hung up because they're like, well, it's not a really good stretch. She doesn't have tight hamstrings, but let's say, look at that, perfect form. Let's say it wasn't this perfect and she was sort of bending a little bit, if she was tight, it would be okay. Because we're gonna do such a high repetition of it, the more we do, the better it's gonna get. So don't go for perfection, just go for the range of 1, and it's just a movement at all times. 2, 3, look at her ballerina pose. 4, 5, 6, and then together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And also, just to add a note on that one, if anyone finds that when they're doing this, their pelvis doesn't roll, because see, watch how quick on that.
She rolls them next to it.
You can actually pull up a little bit on the, and distract it a little bit, and you'll get a little bit greater range. So, but we'll go around and tell you that one individually. Okay, so we're gonna